वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का 11 चैप्टर सेमेस्टर 2 फोर्स एंड प्रेशर का पार्ट 2 है। क्वेश्चन 5, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन वन सेंटेंसेस। इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ ब्लैकस्मिथ हैमर्स अ हॉट पीस ऑफ आयरन while making a tool. How does the force due to hammering affect the piece of iron? The answer is, when a blacksmith hammers a hot piece of iron, the force due to hammering change the shape of the piece of iron. Question 2, क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 2 है, when does the net force applied equal 0? The answer is, when two forces applied from the opposite direction are equal in magnitude, then the net force applied equal 0. Question 3, state two effects of force. The answer is, first, it changes the state of motion of an object, and second, it changes the shape of an object. Question 4, what is force of friction? Question 5 का question 4 है, what is force of friction? The answer is, the force which act on moving object in opposite direction to the motion of the object is called force of friction. Page number 19, question 5 का question 5 है, give two example of contact forces. The answer is, muscular force and force of friction. Question 5 का question 6 है, give two example of non-contact forces. The answer is, magnetic force and electrostatic force. Question 5 का question 7 है, what is electrostatic force? The answer is, the force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is called electrostatic force. Question 5 का question 8 है, what is atmosphere? The answer is, the envelope of air around us is called atmosphere. Question 5 का question 9 है, what is atmospheric pressure? The answer is, the pressure exerted by the envelope of air all around us is known as atmospheric pressure. Question 5 का question 10 है, on what factors does the pressure exerted by liquid at the bottom of container depends? The answer is, first, height of liquid column, second, density of liquid. Question 5 का question 11 है, determine the pressure when a force of 50 Newton acts on area of 5 m square. The answer is, pressure P is equal to force upon area is equal to 50 Newton upon 5 m square is equal to 10 Newton upon m square is equal to 10 Nm root minus 2. Question 5 का 12 क्वेश्चन है, why is muscular force termed as contact force? The answer is, some muscular force can be applied only when it is contact with an object, therefore it is termed as contact force. Question 6, defined. First point, force. Question 6 का first point है force. The answer is, a push or pull applied on an object is called a force. Second point, pressure. The force acting on a unit area of surface is called pressure. Question 6 का third point है atmosphere. The answer is, the envelope of air all around us is known as atmosphere. Page number 20, question 7, answer the following question in short. In first question, name the force acting on a plastic bucket containing water held about ground level in your hands. Discuss why the forces acting on the bucket do not bring a change in its state of motion. The answer is, force muscular force, and second, the answer is forces acting on a plastic bucket. First point, muscular force, and second, gravitational force. The muscular force acting on the bucket is in the upward direction while gravitational force is acting in the downward direction. Both the forces are equal in magnitude. These forces do not bring any change in the state of motion of the bucket because both forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, thus they cancel each other and the net force on the bucket is 0. Question 7 का question 2 है, a rocket has been fired upwards to launch a satellite in its orbit. Name the two forces acting on the rocket immediately after leaving the launching pad. The answer is first, gravitational force acting on the rocket in the downward direction towards center of the earth. Second point, frictional force due to air acting in opposite direction of the motion of the rocket. Question 7 का question 3 है, what is the force? Explain with the help of some example. The answer is force is a push or pull of an object. Example, moving a book placed on the table. Second, opening or closing a door. Third, hitting a ball with a bat. Fourth, moving a loaded car. In above example, each of the actions can be grouped as push or pull. Thus, we can understand the concept of force through above example. Question 7 का question 4 है, what are states of motion? How can a force change the state of motion? The answer is, the state of motion of an object is described by its speed and the direction of motion. When a force is applied on a stationary object, its move. If the force is applied in the direction of motion of an object, then its speed increases. If the force acts in opposite direction, then the speed of the object decreases. A force can change the direction of a moving object. Thus, force may bring a change in the state of motion of an object. Question 7 का question 5 है, what are the effect of force? The answer is effect of force. First point, a force can move stationary object or stop a moving object. Second, force can change the speed of a moving object. Third, force can also change the direction of motion of an object. Fourth, it can change the shape of an object. Fifth, all of these or some of these effects can be observed due to force. पेज नंबर 21 क्वेश्चन 7 का क्वेश्चन 6 है, explain contact and non-contact forces. The answer is contact forces, the force which come into action only when two objects come in physical contact with each other are called contact force. For example, muscular force and frictional force. Non-contact forces, the forces which come into action without any contact of object with one another are called non-contact force. For example, electrostatic force, magnetic force. क्वेश्चन 7 का क्वेश्चन 7 है, व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स, व्हाई इज इट कॉल्ड नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स? द आंसर इज द फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय अ चार्ज बॉडी ऑन अनदर चार्ज्ड और अनचार्ज्ड बॉडी is called an electrostatic force. This force comes into play even when the bodies are not in contact, so it is called non-contact forces. ठीक है, तो ये चैप्टर हम थर्ड पार्ट में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.